Hello guys, how's it going? I hope everything is well. So in this video we are going to talk about class 10th physics chapter number 6, a structure of atom, right? So this is our physics chapter. We are going to see all the important questions, okay, now like 2 mark, 4 marks and 1 mark questions, and this is for the TS and AP board exams. Okay, this is important question for board exam only according to this chapter. So let's start from here. So according to your recommendation, you can see, right? So I will try to show this question fast as soon as possible. I will try to cover this whole in 6 to 8 minutes between of them, because if I go slowly then this video is going to be something longer, so that's why I make it something as short. Okay, now if I go slowly, that's the video going to be 12 and 15 minutes, so I will try to cover it in 8 minutes, half of the time. Okay, now so just look it. If you want to decrease the speed of a video, just go to the 3 dot icon, click on that, and it's decrease the speed of a video. Okay, right, so let's see that one. Okay, then see that here. Okay, question number 21, 22, 23, 24 also you can see. Then here, then 27 to 29, and that's the answer. 29, noble gas are the highly stable. Okay, now is it okay? And the orbit, first electron, second electron. Then question number 34 you can see. Then question number 35, question number 36. Okay, write 4 quantum numbers for 2p 1 electron. Okay, now question number 39. Okay, question number 43, question number 44. Okay, so 1 more question is completed here, so 2 more questions start from here. You can see question number 1, answer is it. Then 2 mark question, answer. Then after that's the 3 mark question, and the answer is here. And then is it 4 mark question, and answer is it here. That's the 5 mark question, and answer is here, difference between orbit and orbital. Then after the question number 6 is here, and then after is it answer, the question number 7 here, and that's the answer. Question number 8 you can see, explain the Pauli exclusive principle, write 10 examples. Okay, now so question number 9 you can see also from here. Question number 10 you can see, and that's the answer of that one. Well, question number 11 also you can see. Okay, question number 12. Alright, so question number 13 you can see. Okay, 14 here. Okay, from here the 4 mark question start. Alright, is it clear for you? Well, here you can see question number 2. Okay, now well, so here you can see question number 3 and answer. Question number 4, and that's the answer. And geometry of the orbit in SPDF and subcells orbitals. Okay, right, so then after you can see answer. Okay, now right, then question number 6, question number 7. Let's see that here. This is a very important, but actually it is not given in exam, so but it is important for you, so according to recommendation you just see that one. Okay, now for remembering process you have to be remember that one. Okay, is it clear? Then see that one here. All right, then question number 9 you can see. Then question number 10 here you can see, and that's one here. Okay, now and that's the answer. And 11th one here, And that's the answer of that one. Okay, so well, actually, in this chapter is a Tillion only, and this video is something for the 8 minutes and 10 minutes. But I try to cover it in only for 5 minutes. I already covered it. Okay, now, so I hope this video is going to be very helpful for you. And if you're looking for the more chapter-wise important questions, okay, now, so just click on the description, check out from there. Otherwise, just go to our channel and click on the playlist, and you can check out from there. So I hope this video is going to be very helpful for you, and best of luck for your examination. Write well as it is possible for you, and keep learning. We will meet in next video, and Jai Hind.